rise and fall. Weightlifting calmly. During lifting operations, rise institutions play a key role. Let's walk in together today. Henan Donkey Machinery Co., Ltd. Rise up the production world of institutions. We have advanced production equipment and a professional team, guarantee for the manufacture of high-quality lifting mechanisms. In the process of raw material selection, we strictly check, only use the highest quality materials, ensure the basic quality of the product, precise machining process. It is a key step in the manufacture of the standing mechanism. Our workers are skilled in operating advanced equipment, ensure the accuracy of each component. Well-crafted parts, it will provide solid support for the assembly of the lifting mechanism. During assembly, we pay attention to every detail, operate strictly according to standards, ensure the overall quality of the extrusion mechanism. Quality inspection is a crucial step. Our professional team, each extrusion mechanism will be rigorously tested, ensure its stable performance. After layers of checks, kitchen organization of Donkey Group, presented to you with excellent quality. Quality moves customers. Brands create the future. Select Donkey.